In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your privacy settings on ChatGPT. We'll walk through the steps to ensure you're comfortable with how your data is handled, giving you peace of mind while using the platform. First things first, you'll want to navigate to chat.openai.com and log into your account. Once you've signed in, the next step is to look for your profile icon. Now, if you're on a desktop, you'll find this icon conveniently located in the bottom left corner of your screen. For those of you accessing via mobile, you'll spot it in the top right corner. Go ahead and give that a click. Upon clicking the profile icon, a menu will appear, providing you with various options to choose from. You're going to want to select Settings. This will open up a dedicated window where you can adjust how your data is managed. In this Settings window, direct your attention to an area labeled Data Controls. By clicking there, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your privacy choices. Let's take a moment to go through these options together. First up is the setting for chat history and training. This is an important one. If you'd like to keep your conversations private and not have them used to improve the AI model, you might consider turning this option off. It's a completely personal decision, and being aware of what's being shared is key to maintaining your privacy. Next, we have the Export Data feature. This is particularly handy if you want to keep a record of your interactions. You can download a complete copy of your ChatGPT data. This is useful if you're someone who likes to have backups or review your past interactions for reference. Lastly, there's the Delete Account option. This is a more drastic step reserved for when you decide you're finished with the service and want to permanently remove your account along with all the associated data. It's important to remember that once you choose this, it's irreversible. Make sure you've downloaded any data you might want to keep before opting to delete your account entirely. Once you've reviewed all these settings and options, you can adjust the toggles or settings according to your preferences. You have control here to ensure that your experience with ChatGPT aligns with your privacy needs. By following these steps, you're putting yourself in the driver's seat when it comes to managing your personal information online. It's great to be informed and proactive about these settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate your privacy